What is up, unusual? Today we're going to be talking about how to get rid of a shadow ban and what to do if you got shadow banned inside of 2021. Make sure you watch this video until the end so you can know all the tips and tricks that come along with shadow ban. Now, what is a shadow ban? A shadow ban is when TikTok is not pushing your videos out on the FYP. So when you look at it, it's going to say 0%. Instead of, even if it's 1%, that means you're not shadow banned. But if you are shadow banned, that means it's a 0%. This means a drop in views. So if you're getting like 1K views, you're gonna start seeing like 100 to 20 views. Or if you're getting like 2,000 views, 3,000 views on a video, and you're not seeing any growth inside of your videos at all. Now, a lot of people get this confused. They think that if like one video or multiple videos are doing bad, then they got shadow banned. This is not true at all. If you have one video that's doing bad, that's probably just because that video is not quality enough for TikTok. I see multiple people try to make YouTube and Instagram videos and try to fit that into TikTok. When TikTok is its own app, you gotta do things that TikTok likes, like certain trends, songs, dances, all of that. You can't just be doing certain things that work on the other app and expect it to work on TikTok, because it's totally different. One thing that I especially like to do is quality check your videos. This means that before you post, make sure that the video has the right songs, has an eye catcher for people to catch onto at the beginning of the video. Make sure that everything is just right before you post. Now, a couple things that I want to emphasize, like I said before, if your views are higher than 0% on your analytics, then you are not shadow banned. If it's 1%, you're not shadow banned. If it's 20%, you're not shadow banned. You're only shadow banned if that is 0% overall. Now, if your views are higher than the amount of followers you have, that means you are not shadow banned. You're only shadow banned if it's lower, and even then it just might not be your shadow ban. Those videos might just be low quality. Now, there's a lot of Shadowban causes. The first cause, which is like the one that a lot of people get, is a community guideline violation. Would that be like swearing, cursing, using the wrong song, using like something in the videos that TikTok ain't like. There's a whole like list of community guidelines that TikTok has up that you can read about. But a lot of times when people get shadow banned, it's probably with a community guideline violation. Now, you can appeal this, but the main thing with this is do not delete a video that has a community guideline strike on it. Another way that you can get shadow banned is consistently deleting your videos. This is something that I thought I was shadow banned for a point in time because I deleted like 3 videos in one day, but TikTok was really just pushing down my account so it doesn't get to more people. TikTok in general doesn't like when you delete your content, because TikTok is a place where after 24 hours and even after a couple weeks, your videos still have the potential to blow up. So TikTok wants you to keep your videos there, so it has the potential to blow up. Another way you can get shadow banned is having multiple accounts on the same like device, because TikTok doesn't like it when you have a whole bunch of accounts. It's like looks like bot behavior. Looks like another way is using a VPN. TikTok hates when you use VPNs, because when you're using a VPN, you gotta use it when you're using TikTok. Do not like hop into TikTok and then turn that VPN out, because TikTok will know and then it'll start to shadow. Another way is getting banned on live. A lot of people get banned on live for dumb things. But with this, I can't really say anything about that, because I don't know, because TikTok bans a lot of people on live for dumb reasons. And the last one, which is kind of similar to what I just said before, is being logged into an account from multiple different phones. TikTok doesn't like that, and like I said before, it's like bot behavior. Now, here we come to the last part, which is what to do when you actually get shadow. What you can do when you get shadow banned is continue to post 3 to 5 or 4, however long you were post 4 to 6 times a day, and then see if you are really shadow banned. If your videos are not getting on the For You page after like 2 weeks because of consistent posting, and if it's getting no like real engagement compared to what you used to get, and if they're like high top like quality video, then you have a problem. Now, if this still doesn't work after 2 weeks, I'm just gonna say create a whole new account. I don't see the point of waiting 2 months just for TikTok to appeal your shadow ban, because in reality, you can make a whole new account and then blow up that account in like a week or 2. So I'll say just create a whole new account and start fresh with the knowledge that you know now about shadow banning and what you did before. you're probably gonna blow up that new account way quicker. Now your old account, you could really just have more stuff about following your other pages or promoting different things on your old page. This in general just might be an opportunity for you to do better inside of the future and to create better type of content, you know. So that was my video. So to know if you're getting more than 1% views on the For You page, then you're not shadowbanned. But you are shadowbanned, keep on posting consistently and then see if you're really shadowbanned. And then if you really are shadowbanned, create a whole new account, and on that new account make sure to post consistently and follow community guidelines, and on your old account promote your old stuff too. That's basically the gist of it. So if you guys like this video, make sure to go check out our other videos on TikTok. We're clothing brand content usually. You can also check out our products down below in the description if you want to support us out.